Hi, today I'll be breaking down a highly requested comparison, comparing Kajabi and System.io. These are two of the biggest all-in-one platforms for creators who want to build and sell online courses, memberships, digital products, funnels, and more. So let's do a detailed overview, compare the main features, talk about the pricing, the pros and cons, and see which one is truly the better choice in 2025. Kajabi is known as the premium, polished, creator-focused platform. It targets coaches, course creators, consultants, and entrepreneurs who want to run a professional digital business without stitching together multiple tools. Kajabi is all about giving you a complete ecosystem: course hosting, memberships, email marketing, funnels, websites, analytics, payments, community tools, and even a branded app option. It's built for people who want everything under one roof, with a polished experience, visually appealing templates, and advanced automations. Kajabi invests heavily in design, user experience, and performance, and it shows. Well, System.io, on the other hand, is a budget-friendly challenger. Think of it as the lean and simple all-in-one platform. It gives you funnels, emails, website, courses, automation, and affiliate program tools, but without the higher price tag or complex learning curve. It's built mainly for solopreneurs, beginners, and small creators who want to launch quickly without spending too much. System.io's biggest advantage is simplicity plus affordability. Even its free plan offers usable tools, making it especially attractive if you're just starting out or testing an idea. Now let us talk about the main features. We'll go category by category so you can see how they compare. Starting with the courses, Kajabi offers a highly polished course builder with modules, lessons, quizzes, drip scheduling, community areas, and membership features. The learning experience feels professional and smooth, and it also offers a branded mobile app experience, which is a big plus if your audience is mobile first. Now, talking about the courses on System.io, they offer a simpler course creation system. You can build lessons, you can also drip content, and run a basic membership in it. It's functional, it's clean and easy to set up, but less visually polished than Kajabi. How about funnels and landing pages? Well, Kajabi has beautifully designed templates and an intuitive funnel system. It's built specifically for creators that are selling courses and memberships with blueprints that guide you through building pipelines. On the other hand, System.io has a strong funnel builder that's fast, that's simple, and great for marketers who need high converting pages without overcomplicating things. It's not as visually refined, but is extremely efficient. What about email marketing? Kajabi offers a powerful automation system. It uses triggers, tags, conditions, behavioral email flows, and segmentation. Its email builder is polished and built for creators who want advanced workflows. And for System.io, they also offer basic but effective automation. You get email sequences, tags, and workflows enough for a standard launch or funnel system, but is not as advanced or customizable as Kajabi's system. Then the payments. For the payments, the checkout and affiliate tools, Kajabi supports subscriptions, payment plans, one-time purchases, coupons, upsells, and a smooth checkout experience. It also includes a built-in affiliate program as well. But for System.io, it includes payments and affiliate tools, and that's one of its biggest strengths considering how affordable it is. It's reliable and it's easy to set up. Then let's talk about integrations. Kajabi has a lot of third-party tools that it supports, and it also supports advanced workflows through webhooks and APIs. System.io has fewer integrations, but its everything in one place approach reduces the need for external tools. And if we're talking about the ease of use, Kajabi is more powerful but with a slightly steeper learning curve. For System.io, it is extremely beginner friendly. You can tell from the website that it is user friendly. You can launch a funnel in minutes. Having talked about this, let's talk about the pricing. Kajabi has 4 basic plans: the Kickstarter plan, which starts at $71 per month, the basic plan at $143 per month, the growth plan at $199 per month, and the pro plan at $399 per month. Now, these prices apply if you do an annual subscription. Monthly, the fees go up. For System.io, there's a freemium plan, You get started with the basic features with no money. You start for free. There's a startup plan at $17, webinar plan at $47, and an unlimited plan at $97. Now, if you decide to pay annually, you get 2 months free. So it's obvious that System.io is more affordable than Kajabi. But let us talk about the pros and cons of each platform. We start with the pros. For Kajabi, it's very polished and has a professional user experience. Powerful automations are in place with marketing tools, and it has excellent course and membership delivery. There are also strong templates and design options, and is great for scaling a serious digital business. For System.io, it's extremely affordable. It's fast and simple to use, and it also includes funnels, emails, and courses without needing extra tools. It's perfect for beginners and solopreneurs. And the cons? For Kajabi, it can be expensive for beginners, and the more features mean more time learning the platform. It's an overkill if you only need something simple. And for System.io, it's less visually polished. There are simpler automations and fewer design customization options. So having considered all this, which platform should you choose in 2025? Well, the answer depends entirely on your stage and your goals. You can start with System.io if your business is new or your revenue is unpredictable. And you can upgrade to Kajabi if your business grows and you want more polish, more power, and professional grade features. Both platforms are reliable, both can run your business, and both have strong communities. It ultimately comes down to budget, to experience, and how much polish you want your student or your customer experience to have. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Thinkific, Teachable, and ClickFunnels. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.